Euro USD, now we are based on daily chart. Okay, as we see based on daily chart, price reverse, and now we are within the correction. Okay, in this case we move to 4-hour chart. Okay, based on the 4-hour chart, before we analyze it, I refer back to my last video to show how to explain how we can trade it. Okay, we could trade it. Okay, if we refer back to my last video when the price was here, we say we wait for the deeper correction to get the down move. And I mentioned we are the first option, we are interested in the down move, then we look for the up. And as we see there was no down move, we didn't get the sell, and the price from here reversed, because we see the first option was the price dropped then reverse. And the second option I mentioned, if the price from here reverse, I mentioned that even if the price from here reverse, before it break this top within this range, we don't trade it. The only time we trade if the price break the top, give a correction. This is the our trade. We explained. That's why I mentioned within this range we don't trade. We wait. If the price reverse, break the top, give a correction, we trade. This is the trade we could take it. Okay, just now I want to explain why I mentioned I don't want to trade with it within this, even there was no trade set up. Okay, now we should be in this buy, and anyone is in this buy, they should at least manage it. Okay, no, what's the next? Okay, we cannot say from here there is a continuation right now. Okay, first of all, we have a divergence. Even there is a continuation, we don't have any trade set up unless the price continue give a correction. Okay, right now we don't have anything we cannot say, but what we are interested more, we are more interested if the price drop. That means here we get the deeper correction. Okay, in this case, from what we have right now, we don't have any trade setup based on the forward chart, but if we get the down move, sell setup, we are more interested in down move rather than up move. But it doesn't mean the price cannot continue, can continue. And if we want to buy right now, we cannot buy, we need to get the correction. But if we get any down move, sell setup, we are more interested in. Okay, if I move to 1-hour chart, also based on the 1-hour chart, I can refer to my last video when the price was here. I mentioned that before we sell, we are more interested in sell, we need to get a deeper correction, which we didn't get. The price drop from here, and we didn't have the sell setup. Even I draw this line, we can see there was no sell setup. Okay, and this was the option for the sell, and for the option for the buy, similar to what I explained based on the forward chart, I say before break this top within this one, we don't trade it. The only time we trade when the price break the top, we give a correction. Even I draw like this. This is the buy setup. Okay, that's why I mentioned be within this we don't trade. The only times we have to wait the price break the top, give a correction. Okay, that means we could trade. We had a trade for buy. All right, and even for this part, there was no trade setup. Buying or above this or anything was meaningless. Okay, just I want to explain why I mentioned that the price should break this top before we take the trade. Okay, for those they are in the trade, at least they move their they should move their stop loss to break even. And one thing they need should not break even, at least below this to book some profit in case there is a reversal. Okay, if they want to keep the trade. And what we can see based on what we have right now, we have a divergence. How about the 30-minute? Okay, they should bear in mind if there is a reversal, at least they know they can protect their trade. But right now we don't have any buy setup. Even there is a continuation from there, we cannot trade it unless we get the small flag. Yes, we can trade. It depends on the traders. Okay, I don't really suggest it right now based on what we have right now. Later we see what we get, then from there we can make a decision. But based on what we have right now, I don't really suggest to look for buy. Or if anyone want to trade the flag, as long as they have experience, it's good, and any buy should be short term. Okay, because we are not sure how high this one can go. But what we are more interested based on what we have right now, if we get the down move, we are more interested in down move. Okay, and the up move, the times we can look for the up move, it's like we confirm there is a continuation, it can go higher, not the short term trade, if we get the proper correction. Okay, but right now we don't have anything. In this case, we just follow the chart, and if I see any update, I will share in the group. Thanks.